What's up guys, Christopher Polvoorde, and this is my 2019 Ford Ranger. I'm just gonna give you a quick little tour of what we did to it. We just got it. I'm pretty excited because we're one of the only people who have done a build on one yet, so let's go check it out. The first thing I always do to my builds is wheels and tires. For this build, I chose a General Tire Grabber X3. This is the same tire I use on my race truck, so I know it's durable. I put it through the test on the racetrack, then I whip it on the street, so it's pretty cool like that. Then we went with KMC 18-inch wheels. Really digging the look of them. It really gives this truck a little pizzazz. And then let's look down in here. We got a Camburg upper arm with an 1.25 Uniball FK rod, so super cool to have that collab going on. And then got a King Shock coil-over with a remote reservoir. Makes this puppy ride real nice and smooth. Okay, now that we looked at the front end, let's just start walking around. Got a little wrap going on. This new color, it's got a lot of pop. On the back here, we got more King Shocks up underneath, makes the ride real nice and smooth. Super aggressive once you put these bigger wheels and tires. It's got the EcoBoost, which I love because it's super pipey. You get on the gas and it goes. One thing I really dig about this truck is the 4-door option. I'm able to grab my whole crew, pile in, put all our stuff in the bed, sit comfortably, and then head up to the mountains, the beach, down to Baja, whatever adventure we need. The bed on this thing's perfect. I'm able to throw my bike in, my skis in, whatever other adventure stuff I'm on, and my surfboard if I'm heading down to the beach. And it's nice, then I don't have to worry about what's inside and messing up the interior. Everything's out here and on to the next adventure. And that's my 2019 Ford Ranger.